Salina, Class 10, Chapter 15, Similarities. 3. P is a point on side BC of a parallelogram ABCD. DP produce meets AB produce at L. Prove that DP upon PL is equal to DC upon BL. In triangle DCP and LBP, CPD is equal to angle BPL, vertically opposite angles. Angle DCP is equal to angle LPB, alternate angles of parallel line. DC is parallel to AB. Therefore, triangle DCP is similar to triangle LBP by AA criterion of similarities. Hence, triangles are similar, lines are proportional, sides are proportional. Therefore, DP upon LP is equals to DC upon LB. Hence, proved. Second part, prove that DL upon DP is equal to AL upon DC. In triangle LDA and triangle LPB, angle L is equal to angle L common angle. Angle LDA is equal to angle LPB, corresponding angles, since BC is parallel to AD. Therefore, triangle LDA is similar to triangle LPB, AA criterion of similarities. Triangles are similar, sides are proportional. Therefore, LD upon LP is equals to LA upon LB. Okay, we will subtract LP, LD upon LD minus LP equal to LA upon LA minus LB. Therefore, LD upon DP is equal to LA upon BA. LD upon DP equal to LA upon DC, since BA is equal to DC, opposite sides of parallelogram. Sum number 4. In quadrilateral ABCD, diagonal AC and BD intersects each other at point O, and AO is equal to 2CO and BO is equal to 2DO. Show that first part, triangle AOB is similar to triangle COD. Second part, AO into DO is equal to OB into OC. Since AO is equal to 2CO and BO is equal to 2DO, AO upon CO equal to 2:1 equal to BO upon DO. Also, angle AOB is equal to angle DOC, vertically opposite angles. Therefore, triangle AOB is similar to triangle COD by SA. Two sides including one angle are equal, sides are proportional and angle is equal. Therefore, triangles are similar by SAS criterion of similarities. Since AO is equal to 2CO and BO is equal to 2DO, AO upon CO is equals to 2 upon 1 equal to BO upon DO. Cross multiplying, AO into OD is equals to OB into OC. Hence proved second part. Sum number 5. In triangle ABC, angle ABC is equal to twice the angle ACB, and the bisector of angle ABC meets the opposite side at point P. Show that CB CB into BA is equal to CP into PA. Second part, AB into BC is equal to BP into CA. In triangle ABC, angle A, what is given? Angle ABC is equal to twice angle ACB. Let angle ACB equal to x. Therefore, angle ABC is 2x. BP is the bisector. Therefore, angle APB equal to angle PBC equal to x. Using angle bisector theorem, that is, the bisector of an angle divides the side opposite to it in the ratio of other two sides. Hence, CB is to BA equal to CP is to PA. First part proved. Now, in triangle ABC and APB, angle A common angle, angle BCP is equal to angle APB given. Both are x. Therefore, angle ABC is similar to angle APB by AA criterion of similarities. CA upon AB is, therefore sides are proportional. CA upon AB is equals to BC upon BP. CA upon AB is equal to CB upon PB. Cross multiply, we get AB into BC is equal to BP into CA. Sum number 6. In triangle ABC, CN is perpendicular to AB and BM is perpendicular to AC. Show that AB upon AC is equal to BM upon CN is equal to AM upon AN. In triangle ABM and ACN, angle AMB is equal to angle ANC, both 90 degrees. Angle BAM is equal to angle CAN, common angle. Therefore, the triangle ABM is similar to triangle ACN by AA criterion of similarities. Triangles are similar, sides are proportional. Therefore, AB upon AC is equal to BM upon CN is equal to AM upon AN. Hence, proved. Sum number 7. In the given figure, DE is parallel to BC. AE is 15 cm, EC is 9 cm, NC is 6 cm, BN is 24 cm. First part, write all possible pairs of similar triangles. Second part, find the length of ME and DM. First pair of similar triangle is AME similar to ANC. Second pair, ADM is similar to ABN. Third pair, ADE is similar to ABC, which I have proved here. First pair, in triangle AME and triangle ANC, angle AME equal to angle ANC, since DE is parallel to BC, that is ME is parallel to NC. Angle MAE is equal to angle NAC, common angle. Therefore, triangle AME is similar to triangle ANC, AA criterion for similarities. Second pair, in triangle ADM and triangle ABN, angle ADM is equal to angle ABN. Since DE is parallel to BC, that is DM is parallel to BN. Angle DAM is equal to angle BAN, common angle, implies triangle ADM similar to triangle ABN, AA criterion for similarity. Third pair, in triangle ADE and triangle ABC, ADE is equal to angle ABC since BE is parallel to BC, that is ME is parallel to NC. And AED is equal to ACB, DE parallel to BC. Implies angle AD, triangle ADE similar to triangle ABC, AA criterion for similarity. Second part, triangle AME is similar to triangle ANC. So sides are proportional. ME upon NC is equal to AE upon AC. Substitute the value. ME upon 6 equal to 15 upon 24. Multiply 6 on both the sides. ME equal to 3.75 centimeter. In triangle ADE and triangle ABC, similar, sides are proportional. Therefore, AD upon AB is equal to AE upon AC is equal to 15 upon 24 from part 1. Since triangle ADM is similar to triangle ABN, implies DM upon BN is equal to AD upon AB. But AD upon AB is equal to 15 upon 24. So this is also equal to 15 upon 24 from 1. So BN is 24. So we will write DM upon BN 24 equal to 15 upon 24. Implies DM equal to 15 centimeters.